With more than 22 million registered vehicles, Texas is always needing automotive technicians. Available at 4 of our locations, Harlingen, Sweetwater, Fort Bend County, and Waco, our automotive technology program prepares students for the workforce through a combination of online lectures and hands-on work. Students will learn from instructors who are certified by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence and our state-of-the-art labs equipped with industry-standard equipment. Graduates are prepared to work in automotive dealerships for all of the major manufacturers. In fact, top companies that have programs with TSTC recruit our students from our automotive program. We even have the first Tesla START program in Texas. Future projections show Texas has a need for more than 61,000 workers in the years ahead, the second highest number in the country. If you are looking for an in-demand job where you can work with your hands and learn about cutting-edge technology to keep vehicles running, then a degree in our automotive program might be the right career for you.